Hello viewers, today I want to show you how to use ruler in Microsoft Word. Till now, subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel to get update notification. To use ruler in Microsoft Word, first go to Start menu, then open Microsoft Word. Then open blank document or any document, it's no problem, and go to View. Then here see that there is no ruler in Microsoft Word, and go to ruler, click on ruler. Okay, here show ruler, and you can also add grid line from here and navigation pane. So I am removing navigation pane and grid line, so ruler is okay. So you can use this ruler. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel to get update notification.